Friends, welcome back to my channel. When we are troubleshooting, when we are testing suspected board, we need to verify the components, we need to verify the functions. In my last sessions, we discussed how we can test optocouplers and how we can test this logic IC, inverting buffer. And today we will see this molded resistor pack. When we see the resistor packs, there are many types. Some of them are in this shape, RN15 resistor network, and some of them are in this shape, RN25. Here is IC, and this is molded pack similar to IC. So it is 4116R LF1-103. This is the part number. So this is the series from the manufacturer. LF we will see in the part number. It is tin plated, and this is a resistor value. When we check its data sheet, it says 4100R series thick film molded resistors, DIP. And if we see its power rating 4116, it is 2.25 watt. And here is definition of the part number. And when we see its package here, if it is 4116R, it is 8 isolated resistors. 4116R-1-RC, so it is 8 isolated resistors. If it is 2-RC, that means 15 resistors in 16 pin. It is 16 pin, but if the part number will change from 1 to 2, at that time the number of resistors will change. And if we see here will be a serial of resistors, but our part number is this. So we can test in the board. Set multimeter to ohms. It is 103, that means it is 10 kilo ohm resistor. Each resistor is 1 to 1. For example, pin 1 to pin 16 to 15 in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in our case that is 16 pin. It is a layout for 14 pin, but in our case it is 16 pin resistor pack. Set multimeter to resistance. It is 10 kilo ohm. 15 and 2 10 kilo ohm. 14 and 3 10 kilo ohm. Each resistor is 10 kilo ohm. I will remove and we will test on the project board. That is much easy to understand. Okay, let me remove from this side this one. When you remove any IC, never desolder or resolder from in one line. Touch the soldering iron at different places so that when I will heat up this one, after that I will heat up this one. So the whole straight will not heat up at one time. It will not damage. If we will remove IC in one line by removing one line desoldering, at that time we will damage the IC. I removed it. And we can see on the board there is a printing that here are resistors For example, our resistor network is damaged. At that time we can install 10 kilo ohm resistor on each slot, 1 to 1, 10 kilo ohm. So this circuit will start working. We have a solution in case of failure of this resistor network. I will install on this board for testing. Resistor. Now we can check very easily. So check with the second one, third. Each resistor is good. For example, our any one resistor is not giving good resistance or it is devalued. We have two options. For example, our last resistor is not working, so we can remove it from the board and we will use other resistors, and we will use one resistor in the same place in the PCB. For example, this resistor network is damaged, so we can remove the last two pins and other all pins, because other all resistors are good. So we can install just only one resistor in the last one point and it will work normally. I hope so you enjoyed this video. If it is good, hit the like button. If you have any question, write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.